private jets get a reputation for fuel burn, but some are shockingly efficient. The Pilatus PC-12 is considered one of the most fuel-efficient private aircraft ever built. This single-engine turboprop burns about 50% less fuel than similar jets, yet still offers 1,800-mile range, seating for up to 10, short runway performance, operating costs similar to a luxury SUV per hour. It's a favorite for private owners and charter companies worldwide. Efficiency meets practicality, proving private aviation isn't always excessive. For custom charters, trip planning, and luxury travel support, Jet Luxury Solutions delivers a smarter way to fly.